We are in Grapevine, heading towards the historic district. If you're new to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. So we just turned onto Main Street in Grapevine, heading north. It's a great little historic district. It's really cool. I've been here a handful of times, and it's all decorated during the holidays. Just a cool place. Passing over Vine Street. Got the Gaylord here. Legoland. The Gaylord is a huge hotel convention center. Stayed there. It's a great place. Got Grapevine, Maine over there. And here we go. This is cool. Train station, some antique shops. AJ's on Main barbecue. This is College Street here. I wonder what that is. It's a funeral home. Over here to the right. And what else have we got here? Nomad. It's a winery. Look at that clock on the right. That's neat. Got some visitor shuttles. Some people enjoying the afternoon, taking their strolls. Settled in 1844 under the Republic of Texas. Grapevine, 1844. Wow. Bunch of shops. Getting a Fredericksburg vibe. This reminds me a lot like Fredericksburg. There's a nice little podium. Public parking to the left. Let's take a stroll down there since we've come to the end. Cigar and tobacco shop here to the right. Some other little businesses here. Look at these houses. How about that? Antique shops to the left. And the Vine Arts and Events Center. back up to Main Street. Masonic Lodge. Straight ahead. Another view of Main Street. Here was the podium that I was referring to earlier. So we come back over here and we'll do a nice wave, because that's what you do around here. Alright, coming back to the Cotton Patch Cafe. We got a custom iron door establishment here. Taking a right. If I'm not mistaken, taking a right will take you down to the Gaylord. Fairly positive about that, because I remember coming to like a Subway or something up here on the left. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video.